morning, my name is Harry O'Brien, the in-flight lead, and it's my pleasure to welcome you all aboard today. A special welcome to those who returning from our executive club, and those of you joining from our One World Alliance partners. May I remind you to keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. It must remain securely fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. When opening overhead lockers, please take care as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. As a reminder, smoking, including e-cigarettes, vaping and use of other smoking devices, is not permitted any time whilst on board. This includes the toilets, which are fitted with smoke detectors. A very warm welcome to London Heathrow Terminal 3. The local time is 9:30 in the morning. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened so the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched on. When it is safe to do so, please take care when opening overhead lockers as items may have moved and could fall out causing injury.